project is development of PLC programming for MAP station MAP204. The MAP station MAP204 is a pick-and-place shaft with one robot arm. In this project, the main component is Omron CG1 PLC, where it is supplied fully assembled, programmed, and tested. Moreover, the system includes with the following automation technologies such as regulation and filtering of pneumatic supply, pneumatic flow control, pneumatic direction control, electrical control switches, and sensors and power supply. In addition, GraphSet is included in our project. GraphSet is a step transition function chart for PLC specification and programming language. All of those technologies are used to control automated processes as extensively throughout the industry.
GraphSet. GraphSet is one of the decision sequence to build the ladder diagram, obtain the MAP204 sequence, and determine the sensor that will be activated sequentially. 4 types of ladder diagram: control circuit, power circuit, timer circuit, and work bin control. A root liner manipulated device can be more than 4 direction, but there's a 4 direction involved on map 204. First directions for angle 0 till 90 degree. This device also can move upward and downward. An external gripper is fitted to the root liner manipulator. The function is about to hold the part during the transfer from the one place to another place. Part and pot holder is a pot holder that will hold more than a gripper pot holder about the place to put the part.
Okay, now I am going to explain the function that we use in our ladder diagram that we already designed for MP204. Let's see the few parts of the ladder diagram to see how the process works. Okay, based on my left hand side, it shows a sample ladder diagram that we already designed. So, it shows that to trigger address 4.02, the previous address 4.01 need to be triggered as well as sensor 0.04, which is A1 sensor. Once 4.02 address triggered, the current address will reset the previous address and trigger the next address 4.03, and after sensor 0.06 C1 is detected. The flow continues with the same process until the last step of the system.
The MAP204 will be used as a training aid to provide the student with a system which, when learning the skill and technology mentioned before. MAP204 is a training kit produced by SMC International Training that used to transfer a part from one position to another using a rotolinear manipulator fitted with an external gripper. For MAP204, the requirement which is auto mode selection and the program can be repeated. After finish one complete cycle when push button 1 is pressed again.
Yeah, stop. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Bloopers. Okay. Training to provide the student with a system which, when learning the
Saya bukan bahasa engkau.
Ya, sangat-sangat lah. Rambut kau orang kita ada.